This is the letter A. A is for apple.
Hi, friends. I'm an apple.
B. This is the letter B. B is for ball.
Hi, friends. I'm a ball.
Let's play and have fun. C. This is the letter C. C is for cat. Meow.
Hi, friends. I'm a cat.
I love D. This is the letter D.
D is for dog. Woof, woof. Great job.
D is for dog.
E.
This is the letter E.
E is for hello, friends.
I'm an elephant. I am big F. This is the letter F. F is for fish.
Hi, friends. I'm a goldfish.
I swim in water. G. This is the letter G. G is for goat.
Hi, friends.
I'm a goat. I love to jump in. H. This is the letter H. H is for hen.
Cluck, cluck. Hi, friends.
I'm a hen. This is the letter I. I is for
Ice cream.
hi, friends. I'm ice cream. I am cold, sweet, and perfect for hot. J. This is the letter J. J is for joker.
Hi, friends. I'm a joker. I love to make people.
K. This is the letter K. K is for kite.
Hi, friends. I'm a kite.
I fly high in the sky and make windy days. L. This is the letter L. L is for
Lions. Hi, Brian.
I am brave and M. This is the letter M. M is for monkey.
Hi, friends.
I love a jump swinging. N. This is the letter N. N is for nest.
Hi, friends.
This is a nest. It is safe. O. This is the letter O. O is for orange. Hi, friends. I'm an orange. P. This is the letter P. P is for parrot.
Hello, friends. I'm a parrot. I can talk and I
Q. This is the letter Q. Q is for queen.
Hello, friends. I'm a queen.
I wear a crown. R. This is the letter R. R is for rabbit.
Hi, friends. I'm a rabbit.
S. This is the letter S. S is for sun.
Hello, friends. I am the sun.
T. This is the letter T. T is for tree.
Hi, friends. I'm a tree.
U. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella.
Hi, friends. I'm an umbrella. I keep you dry.
V. This is the letter V. V is for van.
Hi, friends. I'm a van.
Great job! V is for van. W. This is the letter W. W is for watermelon.
Hi, friends. I'm a watermelon.
I am juicy and sweet. X. This is the letter X. X is for
Hi,
xylophone.
friends. I'm a xylophone. I make fun music sounds.
Y. This is the letter Y. Y is for yak.
Hello, friend. Yes.
Z. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Hi, friends. I'm a zebra. Look at my black and white stripes.